Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome back to another video. This video is a little shorter. It's not a very long video. It's just some clips of stuff that I did a couple weeks ago, I think. And I appreciate y'all for sticking and staying with me, because your girl just ain't been feeling well. The doctor said I had an upper respiratory infection. That's why I haven't really been pushing out a whole lot. And the last video was just that, what it was. I'm not a lot of talking, because talking too much makes me tired. And also I can't breathe, so I try not to do a lot of talking. So I'm just gonna let this one go. I love each and every single one of you. Please, if you're new, subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video, and I will catch you all in the next one. Hello, besties. I went to Ollie's, Giant Eagle, Ross. So at Giant Eagle, of course, I picked up my medicine. I got Klondike bars, and these are for me, the strawberry cake crunch. from, what's that place? Ollie's. I got 2 of these Tide detergents. These were $3.49, and these are the all in clear, free clear. I got 2 of those. I picked up some Downy Refresh. This is $3.99. I picked up these Pringles. They look good. I saw them when we did our fast, but I never went back to get any, so I'm gonna try. They're sharp white cheddar and ranch, and this is cheddar and sour cream. They're supposed to be pops. I picked up some more caramel waffle cone Ghirardelli squares, some Captain Crunch treats, some more of this grip liner. I think I'm gonna put it in the drawer because my seasonings keep moving. I got 2 of these little tiki things for my porch so that I can go outside and sit without being chewed up by the bugs. I picked up 2 of these Crest White 3Ds. These were 89 cents. And of course I picked up 2 more Act because the kids need this. It's the anti-cavity. They're $2.99. The main reason I went to Ollie's was to get these surge protector strips. Hopefully they will fix the problem. I also picked up this Farberware turntable. This is for the table itself. 2 of these. These are 2-tier drawers. I'm thinking I'm going to put them in the bathroom. One in one bathroom and one in the upstairs bathroom. And finally, some more storage containers, but these ones have slats for things like, you know, your granola bars and stuff like that. I think I'll use it for that. And from Ross, I picked up the broom with the it's the hair catcher. So you can sweep, get the hair and stuff, and it connects together. And I'm not a very tall person, so that's not going to bother me. And we also picked up some cookies and cream Lindor chocolates. And that is all for my haul. Let's put it away. Hello, besties. This is a tiny haul. We went to Walmart, Target, and Marshall's. So from Walmart, picked up bacon Caesar salad, 2 things of chicken. This is dinner tonight. I got me some Amish potato salad, 18-count eggs, 2 of the chicken nugget Lunchables, and Blue Bonnet. What is this stuff? Butter. I also picked up some Ajax. I got these Colgate Wisps. These are for all of our hygiene bags. Also picked up the rose water and pink salt. And Judah likes this. It's the coconut coffee, so we get that for him. I got some Mrs. Meyer's and Compassion flour, dishwashing liquid. I also picked up a container. This is for the laundry. And that's all from Walmart. From Target, I picked up this brush scrubber. It has all different size brush scrubbers. I think it was like $2 and something. But I needed it mainly because I got to clean my straws. But I didn't want to spend $10 on one and some, straws. So, got that. Got the 2-pack Degree deodorant for Aquila. I found this in the dollar spot. It's syrup dispenser. Of course, I picked up the filters for the Keurig. This is the Mousse Def by Doe. We're going to try that for the kids' heads. I picked me up a French press. It was in the dollar section for $5 because, You know, I've already said it before. We may need to shelter in place, or if we ever lose power or anything along those lines, all I need to do is boil water and I can still have coffee. And I get 2 of these decanters, juice things that I'm going to put juice in the refrigerator. And also, I picked up this big container here. I don't remember how much it was. If I'll get on the receipt, I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. But I bought this to house the chips. Since I buy such big boxes of chips, I mean, it's the perfect size. This thing is huge. And I also picked me up a step stool because the one that I bought from Dollar Tree or Dollar General, it feels like it's not going to hold me. I needed something with a little bit more of a solid base. So that was it. And from TJ Maxx, I picked up the strawberry Terraini. I'm going to start putting this in my water. I'll let you know how it tastes. I picked up another one of those containers. This one is plastic. So, and a can organizer for your drinks. Because I'm trying to organize my refrigerator. And you know, you don't buy everything all at one time. You buy it in pieces and you add it too. You know, as you get the money to do it, you do it. That's how we do it over here. All right. That's all for the haul. Oh, wait. Cranberry ginger ale and A&W cream soda. As you all have seen, I've not really been like flying to buy Pepsi because it is becoming expensive. So we are learning to drink other things. So let's put it all away.